welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and in this video I will be reviewing South African unlimited internet from Rain, and it does not require you paperwork, no contract, and you can cancel the subscription anytime. 4G SIM card for 250 Rand can offer you 19 hours off-peak unlimited internet from 11 p.m. until 6 p.m. the next day. If you want to continue to use your SIM card during peak hours, which is from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m., then you pay 50 Rand for every gigabyte you use. You can even set a monthly peak gigabyte limit to avoid overpaying a lot of money. You can use SIM card in any 4G enabled device, and please note, speeds and streaming quality may vary due to Rain network management policy or network load. 4G Unlimited 24/7 for 479 Rand can offer you unlimited 24/7, with speed up to 10 megabit per second. Basic quality streaming resolution. SIM card can work on any 4G enabled device, and please note, basic streaming resolution will provide a streaming quality resolution of up to 360p. Unlimited Home 5G standard for 699 Rand can offer you speed up to 30 megabit per second. HD 720p video streaming. Unlimited 24/7 Wi-Fi. This package includes free-to-use 5G indoor router, Huawei 5G CP Pro, simple plug and play, optimized exclusively for Rain network, free delivery, and please note, this is now available in Cape Town and Johannesburg. Use Map at Rain website to check if 5G is available at your home. Unlimited Home 5G Premium for 999 Rand can offer you average network download speed over 200 megabit per second. Full HD video streaming. Multiple HD streams. Unlimited 24/7 Home Wi-Fi. This package includes free-to-use premium 5G outdoor router, Huawei 5G CPEX, simple plug and play with easy outdoor installation, optimized exclusively for Rain network, free delivery, and please note, this is now available in Cape Town and Johannesburg. Use Map at Rain website to check if 5G is available at your home. If you want to purchase and you wonder where you can get it, then you can simply go to www.rain.co.za and then select a package of your choice. Or when shopping at takealot.com or Mr. D Food, then you can add SIM card to your card, then activate it at www.rain.co.za. You will need South African ID or passport to activate SIM card at Rain website for RICA. Now enjoy browsing the net. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment below. Peace.